Hey guys, welcome to Learn and Grow. Basic GK questions quiz.
There are 15 questions in this interesting quiz. You have 5 seconds to guess the answer, check your knowledge and answer as fast as possible. Don't forget to share scores in comments and please click on like and subscribe button. Fathometer is used to measure The answer is ocean depth. Who was the first person to do a spacewalk? Alexei Leonov. Grand Central Terminal, Park Avenue, New York is the world's largest railway station. Joule is the unit of energy. Name the first country to issue paper currency. China is the first country to issue paper currency. A light aircraft that flies without an engine is called glider. Who wrote the book Alice's Adventures in Wonderland? Lewis Carroll. Great Pyramid of Giza is in Egypt. Richter Scale is used for measuring intensity of earthquakes. Ornithology is the study of the correct answer is birds. Penicillin was invented by Alexander Fleming. Which country is called the sugar bowl of the world? Cuba. What is the chemical name of vitamin B1? Thymine. A color or pattern on an organism's body that allows it to blend with its surroundings is called camouflage. Which of the following symbol denotes peace? Olive branch.
Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.